To prevent a refrigerator from leaking water, several possible causes should be considered. One reason for a leaky fridge is excessive frost buildup, which can disrupt the appliance's ability to maintain a consistent temperature. To address this, all contents should be removed, the fridge cleaned, and then turned off for 8 to 12 hours to defrost. Another potential cause is a cracked door seal, which can lead to leaks when the freezer door reaches melting temperatures. In this case, the door gaskets should be replaced and any tiers repaired. A broken water filter can also cause leaks, often due to trapped air or a leak in the water line, which can be resolved by replacing the filter and ensuring it is properly installed. Additionally, an unbalanced refrigerator can result in leaks, so it is recommended to place a level on top of the fridge to check that it is balanced on both sides. By addressing these potential issues, it is possible to stop a fridge from leaking water.